Okay, here we go with the drone with camera, 1080p HD FPV foldable drone for kids, adults, beginners, brushless motor, RC, quadcopter with stable hover, gestures, selfie, waypoint, fly, 3D flips, 1 key start, 2 batteries. This is what the case looks like. App instruction manual and folding drone X31 manuals. Controller here. Here's the body of the drone. And some batteries. Got the app downloaded and logged in on the phone. Already charged the batteries. Clicks in. Beep beep from the controller. Phone is mounted in there. Drone turns on, lights come on. And looks like the HD camera's on the front there. Okay, I see the network. The drone has a network. Gonna choose that. Looks like we're connected through Wi-Fi to the drone. Okay, and what the camera is seeing now comes up on the phone. Camera buttons, photo, movie, tilt camera up and down. See the camera moving down. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pull the arms out. Looks you need to extend them here. Looks like we need to do top arms first. There we go. All right, so each one of the features on the app is corresponds with this list here, and those instructions are also in the app itself. So good little drone, 1080 camera, or it says HD. You can see the quality in the video here. Pretty easy to set up and relatively easy to control. Very lightweight and decent interface. You do have to figure out how to manipulate the interface. The instructions are not super clear, so it takes a bit of playing around to understand. There you have it. Nice little drone for a affordable, lightweight model.